हाय हर्लीन। वेरी गुड, आप तो बहुत बढ़िया कर रही हो। इतना बड़ा फ्लावर देखो तो सही। ओ वाह। यस।
Click a button, it goes to your, you have a small laboratory, फिर उस furnace में उसका command आता है, वहाँ पे drop रहता है, and in 10 minutes, so a lot of people are listening in Bombay, so आधे घंटे में
can take down my account was
So 12 pre-operative pictures and 12 post-operative pictures, but this is what a good documentation would look like, irrespective if you are doing mobile digital photography or DSLR digital photography. This is the minimum set of pictures that you want when you are doing an anti-aesthetic case. So this particular set of pictures is called as the AACP protocol or the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry protocol, which is what we routinely follow. Yeah, my pointer is giving me a little bit of trouble, so I just use my laptop. But we need to ask ourselves, is this protocol going to help in all the anterior aesthetic cases? So the answer to that is no. So in which cases these 12 pictures will not help? In cases where you want to do digital documentation, means anterior aesthetic documentation with the help of digital smile designing, or as Dr. Aslam Inamdar over or speaking over here as well. So he has come up with something called as RSD. So all the routine protocol that you take with AACP protocol does not really help with digital smile designing or rich smile designing, for which you need another set of pictures. But basically a routine protocol has 12 pictures. This is all you have to remember for the day, and they are very simple pictures to take. Alright? But there are a couple of extra pictures as well. So let's see what are the routine 12 pictures. I'm sure everybody must be documenting it, but this is what it looks like. This is the set of complete 12 pictures that you need to document for any anterior aesthetic case. But it will not help you with digital smile designing cases. Digital smile designing cases, you need to record a couple of extra pictures, which you also cover, right? But yeah, basic 12 set. So yeah, this is the routine protocol. So the most basic picture that we want is the full face frontal smiling, which is very simple to take. We just keep the interpupillary line parallel to the frame. But the most important thing that we want is both the ears should be equally visible. If one of the ears is less visible, means the patient is looking on the other side. But what if there is a tilt on the y-axis? If there is a tilt on the y-axis, both the ears will still still be equally seen. But there is a tilt which can change the shape of the teeth. So how do you counter this situation? You get something called as Coy's glasses. So one of the examples is over here. You can make the patient wear the Coy's glasses, and the patient is looking slightly down, the red color plane will be seen. You can see the specs has a red color frame. That red color will be seen on the pictures. Similarly, there is a green color below. So if the patient is looking up, the green color will be seen from below. So that will graduate your the y-axis of the patient. So you can invest on these. They are not very expensive. But this is the next generation of Coy's glasses, which has the bubble level you can see. This is a little complicated to use, and that bubble level will not be seen very clearly. So I would still recommend the use of the older version of the Coy's glasses instead of this one. But however, this one is going to give you more accuracy with respect to the y-axis. So if you are going to do Rich Smile Designing by Dr. Aslam Inamdar, so the picture on your right is a newer edition that you want to take. So you have routinely taken the left side image, which is the full face smiling shot. But the recent addition to that would be the full face with a retractor on both the sides, and you can also appreciate there is disclusion. Means the patient has to open the mouth by at least 4 to 5 millimeters. So that will be counted as an extra shot for smile designing purposes. I'm going to rush a little when it comes to finishing my lecture because we